Good morning. There's an old saying in our country which says, "Those whose own homes are of mirror should not throw stones on others' homes." Yes, you guessed it right. I'm talking about the Rajasthan situation right now. Mr. Ashok Gehlot is blaming BJP for poaching his own MLAs, for poaching MLAs of Congress. He even accused his own Deputy CM, Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot, who was also the Chief of Congress Working Committee in Rajasthan. Now, what is the whole case? See, if Mr. Ashok Gehlot is blaming the BJP, then Mayawati has blamed Mr. Gehlot. She has said that Mr. Gehlot has poached 6 of her MLAs in horse trading. He paid huge amounts of money to BSP MLAs and has got them inducted in Congress. So, in Rajasthan, basically the situation is very complex these days. Mr. Sachin, there is an internal struggle for chief minister post in Rajasthan. See, Mr. Sachin Pilot had done really great work in Rajasthan. He had gone from village to village to make Congress powerful in Rajasthan, and everyone was thinking that when they will vote for Congress, Mr. Pilot will be made the chief minister of Rajasthan. But suddenly, when Congress got the numbers in Rajasthan, there was a meeting in Rahul Gandhi's home in which 4 of their family members, 4 बज गए, पार्टी अभी बाकी है, the Mr. Rahul Gandhi, Mrs. Priyanka Vadra, her husband Mr. Robert Vadra, and Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, they all got involved in a meeting, and there it was decided that a youth, so-called youth, basically a person who's 45 years old or 50 years old, is not youth actually, but they could be called youth as per the standards of politics, because in politics people are over 80 years old, 70 years old. So they wanted that a person who belongs to 40 or 50 years old should not be made chief minister of a big state like Rajasthan, because if he performed well, then he will get a hold on whole of India Congress, and once he will get hold of whole India Congress, then the Gandhi family would be out of Congress. So it is basically all about the saving the seat of Rahul Gandhi and saving the face of Gandhi family. So Sachin Pilot was not made the chief minister, but Mr. Gehlot was made the chief minister, who then poached 6 of BSP MLAs and then got his numbers to form the government. Now people of Rajasthan are fed up of this new government, because they had voted for Congress to make the Sachin Pilot a new chief minister of Rajasthan. Now that power struggle is going on in Rajasthan, Mr. Pilot, with supporting MLAs, which are about 20 in number, have lodged in a hotel in Gurgaon, Manesar ITC hotel, and they have decided to withdraw their support from Rajasthan government. Now the power struggle is going, but yes, in long term, Rajasthan government will surely fall, and we will see a new government. Now let's see if it's a new party made by Sachin Pilot which makes a government with the support of Bharatiya Janata Party, or he gets included in BJP. But that's a bit difficult to get included in BJP, because in BJP already there are lots of chief minister candidates, and Mrs. Vasundhara Raje is one of the foremost leaders of BJP in Rajasthan. So this would be really interesting to see what happens in Rajasthan. Same was done in Madhya Pradesh, where Mr. Kamal Nath was made the chief minister instead of Mr. Jyotiradiत्य Scindia, Mr. Jyotiradiत्य Scindia was the valid candidate for chief minister post, because he got the whole vote in Gwalior region. His parents were the king of Gwalior, and then so the people of Gwalior think of him as a god in that region. The tribals are are ready to die on his one command. But Congress again thought, the 4 बज गए, पार्टी अभी बाकी है, again 4 people of Congress thought that it would not be good to make a young chief minister of a huge state like Madhya Pradesh, who has command over English and Hindi, and can take Madhya Pradesh really ahead. And if he did perform in Madhya Pradesh, then what will happen of Rahul Gandhi? Basically, all of Gandhi family would be out of Congress, and all of people in Congress, all of volunteers all over India will speak to make Mr. Jyotiradittya Scindia the head of Congress or prime ministerial candidate of Congress. Thus, a strong person will get hold of Congress who will revamp the Congress from a scratch. This is why Mr. Jyotiradittya Scindia was not made the chief minister of Madhya Pradesh, and Mr. Kamal Nath, who was a parachute candidate of Congress, just like Mr. Manmohan Singh, was made the chief minister of Madhya Pradesh. We all saw what happened in Madhya Pradesh, and now the history is repeating itself in Rajasthan. This also happened in Karnataka, and history will also repeat in Maharashtra, because Mr. Milind Devda, Mrs. Priya Dutt, all are really done with the Congress, and they want a change in the way the state government is working in Maharashtra. So let's see what happens. One thing is for sure, politics in India are going to be really interesting in the coming days. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Viewers only, Keshav Anish Das.